Evening, everyone, and welcome back. Thank you so much for joining us on this Thursday. It's been a warm day. It's been a breezy day, but thankfully a nice and quiet evening. Nothing happening in the weather department. Current temperature has now fallen to 75 here in Fargo. That wind still on the gusty side out of the southeast. Recent gust at the top of the hour to 30 miles per hour, and currently in Moorhead at the airport, 73 degrees. Northern Valley, Grand Forks, 74. Wind is a little lighter out of the southeast at 14 miles per hour. Temperatures are coolest off in parts of northwestern Minnesota. 70 in Baudette, 69 Bemidji, 73 Detroit Lakes, but off to the west, still holding on to some warmer temperatures as that warm front didn't quite make it as far east into eastern North Dakota. We've got 85 right now in Bismarck, 79 in Devil's Lake. Tomorrow will be another warm day as that warm front continues to move in. Daytime temperatures in the 90s in parts of the Southern Valley with heat index values near 100 degrees. So we're going to have lots of heat and moisture to work with. So later in the evening when a cold front comes through, that could spark off some isolated strong to severe thunderstorms with large hail, damaging winds, and some areas of heavy rain. So we've gone ahead and raised that first alert weather day. Here's what it looks like in your hour-by-hour forecast. Clear and warm this evening. We've got a few high-level passing clouds, but nothing noteworthy. We're going to keep the southerly breeze, and it picks up by tomorrow morning. Another gusty start to our day, bringing in more heat, more humidity, more moisture to work with. We'll have a few passing clouds through the day, but temperatures will still rise into the 80s and 90s across the entire region. It's not until later in the day, after the dinner time hour, that we start to see some thunderstorms bubbling up in the southern Red River Valley as that cold front moves through. Here we are at 8:10 p.m. That's when I'm thinking some of those storms will start, but then they blossom across the Southern Valley and into Lakes Country. So if you're headed out camping, out to the lake, out to WeFest, keep an eye on the sky. Make sure you have that Valley News Live weather app handy. You can have radar right at your fingertips, a very handy tool. And those storms continue for several hours before kind of falling apart, diminishing by around midnight. But we still will see some scattered showers and rumbles of thunder through Friday night and into Saturday morning. Waking up Saturday morning to a few clouds and leftover rain showers. Here's the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. The area is shaded in dark green here. A level 1 out of 5 risk for severe. So not a widespread severe risk, and they will be fairly isolated in nature, but any storms that do develop capable of hail up to 1 inch in diameter and damaging wind gusts up to around 60 miles per hour. As for rainfall, there's going to be a lot of moisture to work with in our atmosphere. Some areas could see over 1 inch or even 2 inches of rain in the Southern Valley and into adjacent west central Minnesota, including the Detroit Lakes area and WeFesters. So if you're out, don't forget to pack the umbrella and find ways to stay dry or seek shelter if necessary. Snapshot of your hometown forecast by 5 o'clock tomorrow. Sizzling across the board with those upper 80s to some upper 90s down near the North Dakota, South Dakota border. That cold front that's going to bring those storms helps to really cool us back down into the weekend. We're only talking highs in the 70s for both Saturday and Sunday. A few spotty evening showers can't be ruled out on Sunday, but then we dry up for Monday, still a little on the cool side, but then we do warm back up into those 80s. 84 on Tuesday. Very nice Wednesday, 86 with a few clouds and a chance for some showers as we get ready to round out next week.
A hot one tomorrow, but maybe a little bit of a cooler stretch. Not cold, but just to get outside and move around stretch.
I'm really looking forward to it.
Yeah, and maybe a little quieter after tomorrow too.
Absolutely.